Even the toughest tools require service or troubleshooting from time to time. Let's walk through the most common issues you may encounter with your Chicago Pneumatic breakers and how to resolve them. Issue 1. The tool runs erratically. Note: never work on a tool with an air hose connected and pressurized. Start by checking all fasteners on the tool. Loose components can cause instability. If everything is tight, flush a cleaning solvent through the tool, then immediately refill it with air tool oil or a 10W equivalent. If the problem persists, disassemble the tool and inspect the valves for cleanliness. Don't forget to check for plugged cylinder ports. Blockages can disrupt airflow and cause erratic movement. Issue 2. An air leak around the back head. First, disassemble the back head and inspect the throttle valve and O-ring seals for any damage. Worn or torn seals can cause leaks. Next, ensure all back head fasteners are securely tightened. Issue 3. The tool isn't hitting hard enough. Begin by checking all fasteners. Loose parts reduce impact force. If fasteners are tight, inspect the internal components for wear. Worn parts, especially the piston or cylinder bore, should be replaced promptly. Precise clearances between the piston and cylinder bore are crucial. Too much wear means lost power. Issue 4. The tool won't shut off. If the breaker doesn't stop when you release the trigger, turn off the air source immediately, then disconnect the air supply. After ensuring the tool is safe, disassemble the back head and inspect the throttle valve and O-rings. Damage here can prevent proper airflow control. Replace any worn components. Issue 5. The tool dies slowly during use. A slow dying tool often points to an air supply issue. Check your hose diameter. A hose that's too small or too long reduces pressure. For every 50 feet of hose, you lose approximately 9 psi. Inspect the rubber gasket for obstructions and clear any blockages in the hose. Restricted airflow will starve the tool of power. In summary, effective troubleshooting starts with a methodical approach. Secure all fasteners, maintain clean components, and ensure proper airflow. Regular maintenance keeps your breaker performing at its best. Chicago Pneumatic breakers get the job done.